how to set the color profile picture size to large or small on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, from the home screen, open up the phone application. Then tap on the More button at the top. Now we go down and tap on Settings, Encode Settings. Scroll down and then tap on Color Information. Then tap on Profile Picture Size. From the pop-up, you can select between large or a small size. Okay, so this is a small size. So if I go back and make a call. Okay, so here I've got an incoming call. And when you receive an incoming call, it will show a larger or a smaller profile size. So here, if I go back into caller information and choose a large size, then if I go back in here into contacts, and if I want to make the call, so you can see it shows the profile picture size right there, a large size or a smaller size. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.